Hello Woodwards, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. In the last video we looked about website then how to view only one appointment that is booked. But in this video we will see about reporting and analysis. First go to settings, go to user and go to this admin and provided here this option house. So in this housekeeping we have a total two option as a user and manager. As a user you can view only you have this job and only your appointment, but when manager selected, then as a manager you can view all items that reporting analysis dashboard, all booked appointment, unbooked appointment, all created order related this housekeeping. So here select this manager and now go to housekeeping app and display here all available menus, dashboard, my job, appointments, reporting and configuration. So go to this reporting menu and provided here is booking analysis. So booking analysis display here as a pivot view, graph view in available bar chart, line chart, pie chart, etc. and also provided here as a list view. Next is the revenue analysis. So revenue analysis and branch display downtown HQ with total revenue 92. Now if you want to measure selected as the admin, then display here with which service like a standard home cleaning, with which state, so it's done. Third one is the customer rating. So display here submitted on customer name, paying document with resource name and rating state is satisfied. Next is a customer statement. If you want to print customer statement, then easily select here the start date and date. Make it 10 to 15. Now select here this customer, admin, and if you want to also apply this filter like which service included with which branch, then easily select here otherwise not. So here I want this optional and now print this. Now display here customer statement as a PDF format. So housekeeping service history with start to end date, billing address, total booking 1, completed is 1 and total spent $92. And also display here this month with year, June, reference number, date, service name, branch name, status term and total amount $92. Again go to your app and now last one is a branch performance. And if you want to see that which branch performance is the best, then easily select here this date. Like I want here start to end date, select here this branch downtown HQ and this optional filter service and teams. Now print this. Now open this report and display here branch performance with branch name, date, total bookings only 1, completed 1, total revenue $92 and average rating 4 out of 5. And display here is top services, top teams. So here you can easily analyze fully reporting, branch performance, average rating, etc. Next is the analysis dashboard, but we will see in the next video. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.